March 3rd, 2021, here at the Tujunga Central Branch. Oh my gosh, look at this. Every time I come here, there's a new surprise. Like, jeez. Bike shop go out of business? Gosh, man. Man, it's like all the metal items that were down in here, they brought them up here. Unbelievable. Is our ladder still here? Yep, our ladder's still there. Oh man, we got the water coming off the freeway here. This looks good. Going down. So we're going to borrow the ladder, place it on the other side over here. We're going to take a little shortcut over into the LA River. Thank you. Crappy ass. Go. Palm tree. Take some good refuge under this thing. It starts raining. It's nice. Keep you dry. Just got out of my way, man. Good hold before I start descending down. Good. Doing this one-handed. Always tricky. Woo!